Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video we are going to see a recruitment news from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is recruiting for the post of design trainees and management trainees. So this actually a recruitment for freshers and also final years are eligible. Okay, and mostly all branches of engineering are eligible for this recruitment. So please do watch this video till the end. And also if you have diploma plus engineering qualification, also you are eligible. Okay. So let us see the post details first. So the recruitment is actually happening for design trainee and management trainee technical. For design trainee, totally 60 vacancies or openings is there. Management trainee is having 40 openings. Okay. Now let us see the branches for which they are recruiting. The reservation for the disabled persons, everything they have actually given in detail, and what type of disability you require, all these things. Okay. We'll see the qualification requirement. First one, design trainee. Branches they are recruiting is aeronautical, electrical, electronics, mechanical. Here for aeronautical itself, if you have engineering degree in aeronautical or aerospace, both are eligible. And also for electrical and electronics, electronics and electrical and instrumentation, these branches are eligible. Okay. Then for electronics also, mostly all electronics sub branches are eligible. Mechanical also, they are recruiting mostly all branches. Now let us see the management trainee details. Again, they are recruiting for electrical, electronics, mechanical, metallurgy, computer science. Okay, so these are the branches for which they are recruiting. So if you have an engineering degree in any of these branches, if you examine, mostly all branches are recruited. Okay, now let us see the details of percentage requirement. So for aeronautical, for applying for the post of design trainee, for the general category and economically weaker session, 60% of mark you require, and for SC/ST you require only 50% of mark. Just like that, for the other branches, 65% for general category and 55% for SC/ST. Now for management trainee technical, all general categories, all branches require 65% of mark minimum for applying, and 55% is a mark requirement or percentage requirement if you are belonging to SC/ST or persons with disabilities. Okay. So if you have at least this much of percentage, only then you are eligible to apply. Otherwise, you cannot apply. Many people do comment me in the comment section regarding the percentage, some changes, variations. So exactly if you have either 65% or above, only then you are eligible to apply. Now, if your mark is in CGPA, you have to convert that to percentage and then see whether you are having 65% or not. Okay. And also talking about the final years can also apply. And the details of final years also you can see in this notification. Okay. So final years are also eligible to apply. 2020-21 batch is also eligible to apply. That is, if you are getting passing out in this year, also you are eligible to apply. Now let us see the age limit. The upper age limit is 28 years, and for the reserved categories, there is age relaxation. For SC/ST, there is 5 years, age relaxation is there. OBC, 3 years, age relaxation is there. Okay. And also, another important thing, if you have done your engineering degree as a full-time course, only then you are eligible to apply. Okay. Regular full-time candidates can only apply. Next, let us move on to the selection process. Before seeing the selection process, there is a fees for applying. The fees is 500 rupees for the general category, and the persons who are belonging to the SC/ST candidates, and also that is SC/ST category and persons with disabilities, they are exempted from the fees. Okay. And also in which branch you have to remit the fees, in which location, all these things they have given here. IFSC code, everything they have given here in detail. Okay. So if you are interested, then go through this session to know about the fee payment. Now moving on to the selection process. Selection process will be comprising of online test and interview. Okay. Selection will be happening based on online test and interview. Now another important thing I want to tell here is, see, the recruitment is happening for actually various locations of HAL. And if you are getting recruited, you will be getting posted in either Bangalore location or Hyderabad or Nasik or Odisha then Uttar Pradesh, Kasargod, which is in Kerala. So all these locations are having openings. So if you are getting selected or recruited for this post, you may be getting posted in any of these locations. Mostly all important cities of India, that is HAL branches, are having openings. Okay. So that's all about the location details. Now let us move on to the details of application procedure. Before seeing the application procedure, the salary is, okay, before seeing the salary, if you are getting selected, the first 52 weeks, you will be undergoing a training program. And during this training program, the basic pay will be 40,000 per month. Okay. And on successful completion of this 52 weeks of training, you will be absorbed to grade 2 scale of payment, which will be from 40,000 to 1,40,000. Okay. So this is the pay details. The salary is actually very good. If you are interested in applying, please to apply for it. Okay. Now let us see this registration process or the application procedure. So eligible candidates can apply online through HAL website, and this is the website you have to follow. I'll be posting this link in description also. Otherwise, you can directly click on this icon. It is a redirectable link. Okay. And you can apply online. You have to fill up all your details, eligibility criteria, personal details, mail ID, phone number, everything you have to fill up. And the last date for applying is 5th of April is the last date for applying. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment news from HAL. A lot of people was actually anticipating for this recruitment update from long time. So here it is. This is actually a very big recruitment for all the engineering candidates out there. If you have a diploma plus engineering also, you are eligible to apply. Because I do get a lot of comments regarding this thing also. So here I'm telling diploma plus BE BTech or BE BTech. Okay. Both candidates are actually eligible. And also if you have done some integrated course of 5 years, also then you are eligible to apply. Just look for the age limit before applying. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment news from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. If you are interested, please to apply for it. So if you are finding these videos useful, please do subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe. And thanks for watching and keep on watching.